Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add friends on Monopoly Go. Since Monopoly Go is a multiplayer game, you can enjoy friendly banter with your friends. However, the process of adding friends can be a bit tricky. Alright, there are three ways to add friends in Monopoly Go. First one is via contact list. Second is through Facebook. And the last one is by simply sending an invite link. Alright, sending an invite link is for those who haven't played Monopoly Go yet, so I'm going to show you that later. Alright, first up here, once you're on the lobby, just go ahead and tap on the Friends tab right here at the bottom right. Alright, as you can see here, there are all the suggested friends that you can invite as well. Alright, again, going back to the first option, via contact list, just go ahead and tap on the contact list right here and simply hit on Add Contacts. Alright, once you're in here, just go ahead and tap on the drop down right here and locate your country. And simply hit on continue. Alright, there will be a verification code that will be sent to your phone. Just go ahead and put that in here and hit on submit. Once done, this one will prompt, and just go ahead and tap on add friends, allow, and wait for it to load. Alright, as you can see here, you'll see your friends that are playing Monopoly Go in your contact list. This area right here also includes your friends on Facebook. Alright, the last one here is by simply sending an invite link, again, to those people who haven't played Monopoly Go yet. Alright, as you can see here, there's an option called friend code. Just go ahead and tap on this icon right here, tap. As you can see, friend code is copied on the clipboard. You're going to want to send this to your friend. Alright, for example, I'm going to click on this one right here, hold it, and I'm going to paste it. This one is your friend code. Just go ahead and set it via Messenger or any other means. Other option here is by sharing an invite link. Right here, just select Messenger or any other messaging app, so your friend that haven't got the game yet will be able to download it via that link. And you two will automatically be friends in the game. And that's basically it. I hope this video helps some. Please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.